So let's go ahead and search for our file. Okay, and I get 4. Hopefully you just have 1. Go ahead and look at it. You want to make sure the properties, you have permissions for read-write. If it says read-only, go ahead and change it to read-write. Then you're going to double-click on your file, and you want to hit display. Okay, so this will open up your script. So on mine, it's already been corrected to reflect the correct file name of my jar. So what you're going to want to do is highlight that section that needs to be changed. In some files, you will just be able to put your cursor here and hit delete and type in. On mine, I cannot. So I'm going to highlight it, come over here to copy to clipboard. Then over here is your find and replace. And remember, this is if you cannot do it by just deleting and typing in your file. So you're going to want to paste in what needs to be replaced, this portion, and then go ahead and change that. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to want to close it, and it will ask you, I didn't make any changes to this one, it will ask if you want to save. Go ahead and hit yes. Okay, and you should also have to do that. If you get an error here, you will have to change your other file, the do mahout.sh. So do the same thing, search for those ones, and go ahead and do the same thing. Okay, since I've already done that, I'll close out. The second supplemental on the week 8 goes into a little bit more detail how to do this. Okay, so let me close all that. Let me return to my terminal. And I can't remember what step I was at. Okay. All right, so now we could do, once you've changed that, you should be able to run your command again and you'll get similar, an output similar to what you see here. So let's go ahead and run our next command. Space slash okay, and mine already says file exists. You'll get something slightly different. And now you can run, execute the final script. Now remember, if you don't change the streaming on this file, you'll get an error similar to what I show on page 4 of the supplemental. Okay, and here we are. So that took quite a while. Again, don't panic if it does. And let's run our final command, and this is going to show us our recommendations from this process for users 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and there are your final results. So you can see users 1, 2, and 3, and the movie recommendations. Again, there's a lot more detail in the from the expert file, so please be sure to read through that initially before starting this, and then use the 2 supplements I provided to guide you further. Try and get started early on this, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.